In the digital world of today, everything is being influenced by the advent of technology, and the same goes for the world of art. From digital painting to 3D sculptures and animations, there has been significant growth in digital art lately. Art projectors are useful tools that help artists create unique and diverse work. As a digital artist, you need the best art projector to take your work to the next level. Lucky for you, we are here with some pretty great choices. There are many products to choose best art projector, all with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I conducted extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the top 5 best art projector from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. You can find out more about the price and other details in my description, so let's jump right into the video. Number 1. BenQ HT3550 4K art projector. Resolution: 4K UHD resolution. Brightness: 2000 lumens. HD Pro tone mapping. Supports 3D projection. Projectors are generally made for giving presentations, watching movies, etc. When you use these projectors for sketching and large-scale paintings, the results are not great. This is because when you are drawing, you have to be really close to the canvas, the projection surface, and all you see are large pixels. This makes it very difficult to trace the minute details. The best way of solving this issue is to buy the BenQ HT3550 4K art projector. If you have a compact and small art studio, the short throw lens on this projector will be perfect for your needs. It can project 100-inch large footage from only 8.2 feet away. You get multiple connectivity options with this projector. Moreover, the DCI-P3 color support in this projector provides colorful images with excellent contrast. Even though the price is a bit high, trust us, this projector is worth every penny you spend on it. The projector incorporates cinematic color technology and provides a large visible spectrum. For best performance, space should be pitch dark, otherwise, the picture will be slightly dim. Number 2. Artograph Tracer. Lightweight and portable. 1600 lux LED light bulb. 1 year limited warranty. Lens: 163mm optical glass. When it comes to opaque projectors, Artograph is a well-known brand, with products that have stood the test of time. The reason why we like the Artograph Tracer is that it is very easy to use and has a quick setup. Since the projector is compact and lightweight, you will not have to worry about taking it with you on your travels, something that we highly appreciated since as artists we had to move around a lot. This projector enlarges the image almost. Number 3. ViewSonic M1 portable projector. Hardware interface: USB, HDMI. Wattage: 55 watts. Resolution: 854x480p, built-in battery. Want a projector that is perfect for the studio as well as outdoor use? The award-winning ultra-portable compact ViewSonic M1 projector is our recommendation. It has a built-in battery with an impressive battery life of over 2.5 hours. Apart from the noteworthy battery life, the projector has a good maximum projection size of 100 inches and a brightness value of 250 lumens. This means even if you are using the projector in a well-lit room, you will not face any issues. The projector has flexible connectivity options and works with most media players, Macs, PCs, mobile devices, etc. The long battery life of this projector makes it great for long painting sessions. This projector is remote controlled. The projector has an 854x480p resolution. The short throw lens can easily project up to 100 inches from a short distance of 8 feet. You get a 3-year limited parts warranty as well as labor coverage. This projector doesn't have any art-centric software upgrades. Number 4. Optoma HD39 HDR projector. Hardware interface: HDMI, lighting. Mounting type: ceiling mount. Brightness: 4000 lumens. 4K HDR input. The projector that we have used time and again, and have loved using every single time, is the Optoma HD39 HDR projector. With amazing features, this projector is worth every penny that you spend on it. If you are searching for an art projector that will work for the most demanding art tasks, this is the one. This projector is an amalgamation of excellent accuracy, superb image quality, incredible depth and sharpness, as well as unsurpassed edge-to-edge precision. The 50:0:1 contrast ratio projects a highly detailed picture on the wall, which allows you to draw minute details accurately. The 4000 lumens brightness ensures that you can work even in a brightly lit room. Even though this Optoma projector doesn't have the resolution of our premium pick, BenQ HT3550, its projection quality is definitely up to the mark. The projector is HDR compatible and comes with HDR10 technology. It has a lightning fast response time of 8.4 milliseconds and a quick refresh rate of 120 Hz. The projector has various connectivity options. Number 5. BenQ MH535FHD 1080p projector. Brightness: 3600 lumen. High contrast ratio: 2x. Universal ceiling mount. BenQ has made its name in the industry, and the BenQ MH535FHD projector does justice to the market value of the company. With a sleek, elegant design, the projector has a high HD resolution of 1080p. With a high brightness value of 3600 lumens, this projector is worth the investment as you can use it easily in a bright room, without struggling to clearly see the image. The high contrast ratio ensures that images stand out clearly. The projector is very simple and straightforward to set up. You can easily adjust the distance of the projector from the wall. It has an excellent lamp life, which ensures that you can use this projector for a long time to come. The projector gives you a highly immersive experience with its 1080p 3D resolution. With a high brightness range, it is the ideal art projector for outdoor spaces. The 1.2x zoom allows you to correct the screen position very easily. It has a very quiet operation and has flexible connectivity option. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribers my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will